Your role as haukainga tangata whenua, karanga te Manuwhiri. This simple example is your very first karanga. Go well and God bless. Poroporaki karanga. E te whānau, kia ora koutou katoa. Welcome to our Women Wahine Whaia, Kōtiro Tamahine Kohine, and to our Māori Kura Karanga Kura Wānanga. This section is dedicated to the Wahine members of our whānau. We will be exploring karanga within Tainui and the Kingitanga. He Timatanga o Korero. The following examples of karanga was compiled and composed by myself, Te Hira Moana Wharenui, and my whānau from the Puahau Waikato at a time when we ran the wānanga o Tuakau ki Waikato. I want to continue to help my whānau and friends to learn to be good leaders and to aspire themselves to become greater leaders. These examples will take a lifetime to learn, and now for all my whānau and friends to learn and to support each other. Supporting one another is very important these days to maintain the ihitapu mana of the whānau, hapu, iwi and waka. When I first learnt these taonga, I learnt them on my own. My aunties would sit me down with my cousin Mahia Rau and Taui Thompson Tupaia from the Puahau Waikato to explain their version of karanga and its origins. Each karanga example are for you to choose from, and it is always good to have as many resources or examples to have up your sleeve to fall back on. Your role haukainga tangata whenua, the following examples of karanga to Manuwhiri we are going to be learning in this section will have 3 to 4 verses as outlined below. Although when it comes to tangihana or paukai, the formation is a bit different, and we will cover in our wānanga kahote pā. 1. Opening of the celestial heavens. 2. Dedication to tini mate. 3. Acknowledgement to tupuna awhare. And 4. Whakatau Manuwhiri. Take one step at a time to learn each karanga sample. Then choose the karanga to Manuwhiri that suits you to learn thoroughly first, before you move on to learn other examples. Not every karanga will be used by all members of the whānau on their marae, but it is an opportunity to know what karanga are being used on marae within Tainui. Most karanga you will hear today are mostly addressed to the humankind, or to the living. The following example karanga are based in a spiritual manner for the beginner to understand. One thing to remember, there is a difference when it comes to the tikanga o Maniapoto to the tikanga o Waikato and Parehauraki, and the tikanga o Kāwhia Moana to te Puahau o Waikato and Tāmaki Makauda. We are firstly going to be looking at the formal procedure of karanga for our marae, kahote pā and pūrikiriki marae. Although some tikanga will include Waikato and Maniapoto, in your role of tangata whenua, you are representing your tupuna whare and all the spiritual and physical tikanga and values of your waka, maunga, awa, iwi, hapu and marae. As tangata whenua, you should always begin the karanga process to your Manuwhiri. The focus of your karanga is to welcome your guest to your Manuwhiri, as follows. Haramai, haramaira. When you are in the role of Manuwhiri, you too are representing your waka, maunga, awa, iwi, hapu, marae, and whoever the visitors are in your group. As Manuwhiri, you should always wait for the karanga of the haukainga to begin, and then you can reply. The focus of your karanga is to call to your host, to the haukainga, as follows. Karanga mai la. Reira, haere pai, mā ngā tūpuna koutou e manaki e tiaki pai mārire.